aende wapi? Na mimi nataka kuungana. And I want to speak my mind. Speak my mind. Baba, you are our leader. We respect you. We will follow your direction. Lakini sisi Waluya tunasema samaki inaoza kuanzia kwa kichwa. Ama namna gani? Kwa hivyo, the problem of this country is not even the cabinet that is sacked. The problem of this country is not even the parliament that he controls. The problem of this country is two people. President William Ruto and his deputy Gachagua. If we want to end corruption in this country, the two should go. If we want to end tribalism, the two should go. If we want to have a nation that is united, the two should go. Kwa hivyo mimi naungana na wale ambao wanasema kwamba the solution to this country where we are is Ruto and his deputy to go home. They pack and go. Number 2, kwa mambo ya dialogue, baba sisi tunajua dialogue is a good thing. And me, I support it. But we cannot dialogue with someone who has blood on his hands. We have our 200 and something people who are killed kwa ile maandamano ya kwanza. Alafu hii ya juzi pia. We have so many who are missing. We have so many who have been hospitalized. If we have to go for dialogue, number 1, we want these people to be compensated, their families. Number 2, wale maskari ambao wameua vijana wetu watafutwe wawekwe ndani. Tukianza na yule askari alionekana kwa televisheni akilenga gari ya baba, anataka kupiga baba risasi, huyo akwe wa kwanza kuwekwa ndani. Na nchi itaenda mbele. Ground vitu ni tofauti, my friend. We cannot sanitize Ruto. He has to pack and go home. Asanteni sana.